Hi, welcome to my vlog, and I was created completely with AI. In this video, you will learn how to make a character video like me. Let's meet the AI host and Strat, creating viral Charcater video like me.
Tired of spending countless hours on video editing and expensive visual effects? What if I told you that you could transform a simple text prompt and image into a jaw-dropping viral video in under 60 seconds?
Stay tuned, because today I'm revealing the game-changing power of Google's VEO3 AI integrated directly into Filmora.
And trust me, you won't need any other tools after this. Want to know how? Hit the subscribe button and watch the video till the end.
Traditional video production involves multiple expensive software subscriptions, hours of rendering time, and steep learning curves that can take months to master. What if professional-grade video creation could be as simple as typing a sentence? Yes, now you can do it inside Filmora AI Video Editor, because Google's VEO3 AI is integrated directly into Filmora. So we can create anything inside Filmora. So, install the Filmora Video Editor if you haven't yet. Okay, this is the Filmora AI Windows app. You can also use it on an Apple or Android device. Here, you will find a vast number of AI tools to create videos like audio to video, smart short clips, AI video enhancer, idea to video, image to video, and much more. You can check them out. I am creating a new project. Once the project is ready, your interface will be like this. Now you can import the media and edit the video. However, as I will make the video using Google VEO3, I won't import any media. Let's see how we can create videos using Google VEO3 inside Filmora. Come to the Stock Media tab from here. You will find a bunch of options. Select the AI Media tool. Inside the AI Media, you will find two options: AI Image and Image to Video. Here, in the Image to Video option, you will find three more options: Image to Video, VEO3, Start or End Frame to Video, and Reference to Video. We will use the Image to Video, VEO3 option. Here, first of all, we have to upload a character or object reference image. If you only have an idea, not the character, then come to the AI Image tab, because here, you can generate any kind of image. After coming to the page, enter the character or image prompt here in this box. For example, I am entering a hyper-realistic portrait of a regal alien queen. Her skin a luminous pearlescent blue, with subtle iridescence that reflects soft, ambient light. Her elongated facial features are symmetrical and elegant, with high cheekbones, translucent eyelids, and bioluminescent freckles across her forehead. After entering the prompt, you can set the image style from here. Next, in the settings, you can set the aspect ratio. Once done, hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got these 4 images. Now you can download any image or insert it directly into the timeline. Okay, now to create a video using this character, select the image from the timeline and then click on the small image to video icon from here. Once this pop-up appears, select the aspect ratio and then hit the Submit button. You can see that the image has been added as the reference image in the image to video generation interface. Now, you can enter the text prompt and generate the video. However, I want to create a video with this character. So, I am deleting this image and then uploading my character image. Once the image is uploaded, we have to enter the text prompt. This is the main part. You have to enter the best prompt to create the best video. You have to mention the subject, context, action, style, camera motion, composition, dialogue, and sound. For example, I am typing a selfie video of an alien travel blogger exploring a picturesque cobblestone street in Le Marais, with old buildings and a flower shop in the background. Soft, diffused afternoon light filtered between the buildings. The alien is walking slowly and looking on both sides of the street, and she says, "Bonjour humans, I'm Zarnok, your intergalactic explorer, and today, I'm touching down on Earth's most romantic city, Paris. Let's see what the hype is about." The vlogging music swells. The sound of a distant scooter zipping by. Here, you can notice that I mentioned the camera work, the subject, location, action, sound, and dialogue. Now we have to just click on the Generate button to generate the video. It will take around 1 minute to generate the video. So I am fast forwarding this part. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look.
Bonjour humans! I'm Zarnok, your intergalactic explorer, and today I'm touching down on Earth's most romantic city, Paris. Let's see what the hype is about.
This is just amazing. So now you can create this kind of amazing video using Filmora and Veo3. Most importantly, as we are uploading a character image, we can generate consistent character videos without any advanced prompt knowledge. Let's create the next scene of the video. I am coming to the video generation tab again. Now we have to enter the second scene prompt. This time, let's create a front camera video instead of a selfie camera. So I am typing a cinematic scene set in a classic Parisian cafe terrace. Small, round, marble-topped tables are crowded on a cobblestone sidewalk. Red geraniums overflow from window boxes. The alien is set on a table. A waiter sets down a perfect, golden brown croissant and a steaming bowl-like cup of coffee in front of the alien, who leans in to inspect them like scientific specimens. An over-the-shoulder shot from Zarnok's perspective, then a quick cut to a side-view medium shot. The alien says, "My first mission decoding French fuel, also known as le petit déjeuner." Bright, crisp morning light, casting long, soft shadows. Steam rises beautifully from the coffee. The gentle clinking of porcelain on the marble table, the murmur of background conversation, a distant accordion tune. After entering the prompt, hit the generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready.
My first mission, decoding French fuel, also known as le petit déjeuner.
And the quality? This is just outstanding. So now in this method, create as many scenes as you want. Okay, so now you can create amazing, consistent character video clips using Google VEO3 inside Filmora. But generating impressive footage is only half the equation. This is where Filmora's comprehensive editing suite transforms good content into viral sensations. Filmora's AI-powered editing tools work in perfect harmony with VEO3 content. Let's add some professional polish to our creation. Filmora's extensive effects library includes everything from subtle color grading presets to dramatic particle systems. The software's real-time preview ensures you can see exactly how each modification affects your final output without lengthy rendering delays. You can add effects and filters to your video to make it perfect. You will find a bunch of options. Just find the perfect one and add it to the scene. Give proper time to edit your video. After that, you can add text and stickers to the video to make it more appealing. Caption generation represents another area where this combination excels. Filmora's AI can automatically transcribe any dialogue in your Veo3 clips and generate perfectly synchronized subtitles. This feature alone saves hours of manual work while ensuring your content remains accessible to broader audiences. This is not the end. If you think your video needs some more sound design, you can do it with style using AI inside Filmora. Filmora's smart BGM generator allows you to create amazing BGM automatically that is perfectly aligned to the video context with a single click. This is just amazing. Once the editing is completed, export the video to your device. This is our final video.
Bonjour humans! I'm Zarnok, your intergalactic explorer, and today I'm touching down on Earth's most romantic city, Paris. Let's see what the hype is about.
My first mission, decoding French fuel, also known as le petit déjeuner.
Verdict: croissants are flaky pockets of joy. 9.7 out of 10 on the galactic munch scale.
They call this a tower? Where I'm from, we have orbital elevators.
So, now you can create this kind of amazing video only using Filmora. It's simple and easy to use. You don't need so much expertise. Adobe Premiere Pro, while powerful, requires significant technical expertise and substantial hardware resources. CapCut offers convenience, but limits creative control and output quality. Filmora with Veo3 strikes the perfect balance between accessibility and professional capabilities. Another important thing is that quality comparison reveals Veo3's superiority over competing AI video generators. Adobe Firefly often produces inconsistent results with visible artifacts, while CapCut's Dreamina struggles with complex scenes and motion blur. Veo3 consistently delivers clean, professional footage that stands up to scrutiny even at full resolution. Ready to revolutionize your content creation process? Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and experience the future of video production firsthand. New users receive incredible bonuses, including 3 days of watermark-free exports, 100 AI credits for unlimited experimentation, and 100 bonus points for additional features. So, start creating your content using Filmora now. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Filmora AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!